Hello, good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's having a wonderful morning so far this morning. So it is super early here in the Shenandoah Valley. It is about 4:30 in the morning this morning, you guys. So I got up early this morning, and I do get up early anyways to meditate and pray and exercise and get my day together. It's always just a good routine for me to have that helps me out to get my day going in a good way. But I just wanted to come to you this morning, everybody, to do a personal thank you to my followers that commented on my post and let me know that they like my content and that they want me to stay around. That makes me feel very, very special, you guys. It makes me feel cared about and it makes me feel liked. And I just want to thank you. Thank you so much for that. I can remember, lots of times not having friends and how that felt over the years. So I just want to say thank you very much for encouraging me to stick it in there and continuing my videos and for continuing to watch them. I hope you have a wonderful day now. It's going to be raining all week this week here, but it's going to be cooled down, which is going to be great. It's been super hot. It's going to be a lot of wetness this week, a lot of water, so I'm going to try to get out and do some nature walking and hiking. Might get to see some flooding. Hopefully it doesn't tear anything up, but it should be interesting enough to watch. I hope you all have a wonderful day today. I'll be out and about. I got to go get some stuff done. Very busy day for me today. Y'all have a good one. Take care. Thanks again for following along. If you like these videos, give me some likes. If you're not already following along, please do follow along with me or sub to my channel. I do nature walking and I'm hiking also. I get out and about all different areas here in the Shenandoah Valley. Soon I'll be going up on the Shenandoah National Park, going up there, checking things out, shooting some video for you of some overlooks and some waterfalls. It is absolutely gorgeous up there, you guys. So stick around for that. And also, this is part of my recovery story, folks. I'll be soon celebrating a 1 year anniversary of being sober from 20 years of being an alcoholic, and my 1 year anniversary will be coming up next month. I'm super excited about that. I'm experiencing a beautiful life now, unlike anything. However, I do have troubles and I still have problems, folks. As people know, the past week or so, I was struggling with a lack of work and my housing. I'm in temporary housing right now. There's a housing crisis where I'm at here in Virginia and all across the states, as everybody's aware of. So I had a housing and work lack of that last week, and some stuff had came through for me and looked very promising, you guys. But both of those didn't work out for me, and it was very super disappointing. And I can remember in times in my life where when it would be those times that I would feel like a failure and give up, just like I wanted to give up on this channel, but I'm not. And then those times is when I would drink, or feel like drinking, and because I felt depressed. I felt like a failure, so I drank, and all that drinking led to a lot of consequences, folks. And that's what I want to share is that I dealt with a lot of pain and suffering from my drinking and not being able to cope with life and deal with life. But thanks now to God that I'm connected with God and accepted Jesus into my life as my Savior. I'm able to live a better life now, and I'm not in misery and suffering the way I was. I still have problems and I still have troubles, but God's strength gets me through each and every day. I'll be back with more, you guys. I'll be sharing my message of hope and inspiration. My recovery story. This is a lifelong commitment, you guys. I'm here until the end with you. If you just want to follow along with my recovery story, that would be great. If you're seeking recovery, you can follow along, engage with me. We could talk about it. And if not, if you just want to follow along and listen to my story, you're more than welcome. I'll be going all the way back into my younger years, growing up in a dysfunctional family and what that was like. Being a young adult as an alcoholic, failed business attempts, failed marriages, all these things that had really just took my mind out and had made me feel like a complete failure, everybody. And all the suffering for 20 years and the alcoholism I went through. But I didn't want to say all about the bad because it's about overcoming and it's about rising above the challenges, folks. And that's what I've done today, thanks to the help of God. And I'm here to share this message of hope and inspiration to everybody, but hopefully that it can help and inspire. I hope y'all have a wonderful day now. I hope to see you soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.